Hey, what's up everybody? Instagram fam, social media fam, I hope everyone's doing well. Wanted to hop on here real quick just to promote one of our new introductions or additions to our existing collection with Crayola. That's right, Crayola, the crayon company. Right here in front of me is one of the styles. In this recent launch, which is our third launch, we are introducing geometric and tribal inspired prints, mostly on the sort of southwestern geo type look. But these styles, what's important about them is that they embody the ethos of Crayola, which is color, creativity, fun, and in this collection you'll see exactly that. So right here we have, let me zoom up here a little bit, we have a few different patterns. I think we have 5 patterns in total. So we have a couple of these geos, these tribal inspired, and then we have a couple of more abstract modern waves. These are now live, they're fun, they're totally Crayola, but geared towards adults. Our earlier editions were more focused towards, or more oriented towards youth and kids and classroom, etc. So we're super excited to share this with you guys. A couple other notes about the products. They're made out of materials, recycled materials, which is part of our focus around being conscious about the products and the environment. The backing is made with recycled textile fibers. Like all the rugs we sell here at Well Woven, it's made to be stain resistant. They can be cleaned with regular household detergents. They're machine washable, and you can also just use a regular vacuum, etc. They are flat woven, so they have a low pile. If you have any questions, shoot us a message. We'll be more than happy to help. Thank you guys so much. And also I'll show you a quick little peek at the rest of our Crayola rugs. So we have some additional sort of waves and fun. We also have like an updated traditional that has sort of a Crayola-like colorful look and feel. They're live on Amazon, they're live on wellwoven.com, and coming soon to all your favorite online retailer for home goods. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.